Here's our group projects, which is about the marketplace for NFTs. So for the sake of time, I've already deployed all 4 of our contracts, which are NFT, marketplace, DAO, and token. Moving forward to part 1, we're going to start transferring tokens to these 2 accounts so that they will be our NFT owners and NFT buyers. So 12 million for the buyers, and both done. So moving on to part 2, we're going to try to stake 2 million into the pool. So why we do that? So because if we do that, the users can try to use the creating proposal function and cast votes. Moving on to part 3, we're trying to make NFTs for ourselves. So by doing that, firstly, we have to add the supported games. For example, in here, we're going to try to create crypto quests, and done, and we're going to try to add the minter role to ourselves. So if I don't do this one, then I cannot mint anything for anybody. So after doing that, I can try to mint the crypto quest sword for our account of our NFT owner, which is account 2. So using all these parameters, and we should get a success. Yep, that's good. So moving on to part 3, which is going to be part 4, which is going to be using the marketplace. So after having the NFT, we can check the owner. Yes, it's us. We will have to sell it on our marketplace. So first of all, we got to approve the marketplace. So I'm going to set the approval of the marketplace to true. So now we can enable the marketplace. After that, I'm going to try to create a order. For example, I'm going to sell it for 10 million tokens. Game ID is crypto quest and sword, and yep, it's done. So I'm going to use exchange to account 3 to try to purchase the sword. Firstly, I'm going to approve this budget to the market. So let's copy the market address, put it in here. I'm going to add 10 million. Successful. So right now, moving back to the marketplace, I'm going to fill the order ID of 1. And success. So if we move back to NFT, we can see the owner becomes me. So good. Move to part 5, which is creating proposal. So remember how we staked 2 millions with these 2 accounts. We can now try to create a new proposal. For example, right here, I want to increase the fee of the marketplace to 5. Then I'm going to go to create proposal, do this, and add this called data, which is setting the percentage to 5. The target is the marketplace address, which is going to copy this one. And done. So right now I'm going to change to account 3 to vote this transaction so that I agrees on upping the fee. Nice. So we just got to wait 25 seconds and we can see the results. So moving on to part 6, I'm going to execute the proposal. I just executed. So moving on to the last part, which is distributing the fees back to the DAO. So first of all, I got to grant the role back to the, I got to grant the marketplace role to the marketplace, right? So get this marketplace role from here. I'm going to use grant role to the marketplace. Yep, and I grant it. So right now I can give 5 million tokens to the marketplace. So I'm going to 5 million to the marketplace. And here. Nice. So right now, if we check the balance of the marketplace, it should show us 5 million. Here. Balance off here. Oh, yeah, 5 million plus the fees that we just got by transacting the sword. It's going to be 75. So right now, I'm going to go to the marketplace and click distribute fee. And correct. So right now, if we check it again, it's going to be 0. Yep. And if we check the DAO address, it should give us the 75. I mean, yeah, 75. And here. And boom. Correct. Done. That's the end of it. Thank you.